Navigating the world of property investment from afar? It's a bit like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube in the dark. Exciting, but so tricky. Hi, I'm Rusty, and today I'm here to chat about something that might just save your bacon when it comes to property investment: the pre-settlement inspection. Trust me, you will want to stick around for this one. Now, imagine you are about to seal the deal on a property. You've seen the photos, done the virtual tours, but there's nothing quite like that last look-see, right? That's your pre-settlement inspection. It's your chance to make sure everything is just as you expect. No nasty surprises like a missing chandelier you fell in love with, or a suddenly temperamental air conditioner. Let's break it down, shall we? This isn't just a casual stroll through the property. Oh no. You are on a mission to check that every light switch flicks on, every tap runs clear, and that every door swings smoothly. It's not about finding hidden treasure. It's about making sure there's no pirate skirts waiting for you. For those of us investing from the other side of the map, technology is our best mate. Virtual tours, high-resolution photos, and live video calls are the name of the game. It's like being there without the jet lag. But here's the kicker. Even with all this tech, nothing beats a professional eye. That's where a good buyer's agent comes in, acting as your stand-in. They are your eyes, ears, and occasionally even your nose, making sure everything is up to snuff. They know the ropes, and they are there to make sure your investment isn't just good on paper, but great in reality. Now, here's the scary bit. Skipping this step, well, it's like walking a tightrope without a net. Thrilling? Maybe. Smart? Definitely not. The pre-settlement inspection is your safety net, ensuring your dream investment doesn't turn into a nightmare. So, as you venture into the world of remote investing, remember, the pre-settlement inspection isn't just a box to tick. It's your peace of mind, your final node of approval before you take the plunge. And hey, if you have found these nuggets of wisdom helpful, why not give a like, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Stay tuned for more insights that will make sure your property investment journey not just safer, but a whole lot more fun. Catch you next time. See ya.